Hey everyone, just a quick update. I've got the Surface Duo 2. As you know, we unboxed it last week. I've been using it solidly for a week, and we'll have some more videos coming to you on our experience with that, both Matt and I, fairly soon. But in the meantime, today I just got this box in the mail. Just wanted to quickly share with you the experience of the pen cover for the Surface Duo 2. So I'm going to go ahead and unbox it. Boxes always seem to challenge me. There we go. All right. So I didn't really know what to expect 100% from this product. It is a little bit different to a normal phone, right? And I didn't have the Surface Duo 1, so I never really got to see these accessories in the flesh. Okay, cool. So that's one side. I guess that's the non-camera side. Seems to fully cover the Duo on that side. That, no doubt, is the charging side. It had a little pad in there. Let me just take that back off, actually. Big question, how easy is that to get off? Oh, it's kind of hard to get off, actually. Look at that. A bit of a pad there, and I presume that's a magnet of some form for the pen, and also has the inductive charging coil potentially in there. So let me pop that back on. And so nice to have a fair bit of protection on that side. On the other end, oh, okay, it's just two little bumper corners, like a couple of little sticky parts by the looks of it, that go onto the camera side. So might as well go ahead and stick it on. Sticker off. Oh, I'll put my fingers all over it. That's not great. All right. Seem to be a little bit unsteady with this morning. Okay, cool. So stick that on there. Now I've also got a D-brand skin coming for this. Might take a little bit longer to get here to Australia, especially with the post working like it is in Melbourne at the moment. But that's going to give it a little bit of extra protection. But having used this for a week, I can tell you that it's a very slippery phone in general. So I think that, oh, I reckon I've put that on wrong. I have almost certainly put that on wrong. Seems to cover the power button. What have I done? Yep, I put the wrong end on the wrong side, and I hope this is still going to stick. That's meant to go there, like so. And this bit is meant to go like so. Oh, finally. All right. Always pays to read the instructions, and I never do. All right, so the bumper is on now, so hopefully if I do drop it, I've got a little bit of protection on that edge. Still a little bit exposed here on that glance screen side. Not much you can do about that. Pretty cool to have the a bit of protection for the Duo 2, because it is a very slippery phone with lots of glass, basically four slabs of glass there. It tends to slide off of things when you put it down because it is so slick. It looks fantastic, but probably not the most practical thing. So they gave me the Slim Pen 1 with my Surface Duo. I got that wrong in the unboxing. Got a bit confused by that. And I'm gonna just open it around so that you can see with the pen in place that it kind of sandwiches the pen together. You can see that the Slim Pen 1 attaches real nice to the new pen cover for the Surface Duo 2. Cool, and the power button came on there, just showing that it's charging, so that's good to know. I've also got the Slim Pen 2 here from my Surface Pro 8, and that feels like it attaches a little bit firmer. In fact, like the magnets are more aligned on this one. It also charges with this pen cover, but it's good to know that you can use both of those slim pens. In fact, you can use any Surface pen with the pen cover on the Duo 2. It's just that this particular cover here is going to charge and hold that pen magnetically. So in fact, while I'm here, I might just grab an old school Surface pen, one of the round ones with the battery in it. Oh, okay, so you'll notice I've put it here. It does kind of magnetically attach, but the magnets in the pen don't line up with the ones in the Slim Pen 2. So it'll kind of sit there, but I wouldn't recommend that as a method for holding onto the pen, because it's too easy to knock loose and you're probably going to lose it. Whereas both the Slim Pen 1 and the Slim Pen 2, in fact the Slim Pen 2 a little bit firmer again, are both pretty strongly held there, and it's taken a fair bit of force for me to break it loose. So putting it in your pocket, that's going to be very feasible with this setup here, even though you just need to be careful that you don't knock the pen loose. So, but yeah, that's the, what's it called? The Surface Duo 2 pen cover. So I hope that helps for anybody who's looking for that cover. If you want to see more Surface Duo content, then make sure that you subscribe to the channel and tune in, because we've got a lot more coming your way, a lot more detailed information coming your way fairly soon.